to 20 car. The gods of Stuttgart have whispered a secret into the wind, and it arrives as the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach SL Mythos Concept, a machine that doesn't merely transport but transcends. Imagine a grand piano reimagined as a roadster. Its body, a seamless alloy of brushed aluminum and liquid obsidian, glides through the air with the silent arrogance of a comet. The grille, a waterfall of chrome pinstripes, glints like a crown jewel, while the retractable hardtop folds away with the precision of a Swiss timepiece, revealing a cabin where luxury becomes religion. Step inside, and the world dissolves into a cocoon of indulgence. The floating crystal center console pulses with ambient light, its touch controls responding to fingertips like a lover's sigh. The 4D Burmester sound system doesn't just play music, it sculpts it, with bass notes you feel in your ribs and trebles that shimmer like champagne bubbles. The seats, upholstered in hand-quilted ostrich leather, are heated, cooled, and imbued with AI-powered massage rhythms that adapt to your heartbeat. Beneath the opulence lies a bitter 4.0 liters V8 hybrid, delivering 750 horsepower with the grace of a waltz and the fury of a thunderclap. 0 to 100 kilometers height in 3.1 seconds, swifter than the Bentley Continental GT convertible, more refined than the Rolls-Royce Dawn. Priced at 450,000 euros, it's a statement of sovereignty, though insurance costs loom like storm clouds. Depreciation? Gentle, as befits a Maybach. Maintenance? A sacred rite performed only by white-glove technicians. Yet, perfection has its cracks. The SL Mythos's weight mutes its agility, and its trunk shrinks to a postage stamp when the top descends. But when you press the accelerator, when the V8's growl harmonizes with the electric motor's hum, when the horizon unfurls like a red carpet, none of it matters.